Alright, so I'm back, and we are gonna get going. Saw blade technical. Let's do a different one. Skyblood. No, that's too. It's not a bad one. Still. Alright, I'm gonna get stuck here, but we'll try. Yep. Alright, that's not gonna work. Go, go, go. Move. Alright, we're gonna try to finish this FaceTime. So bad at driving this. Alright.
I'm not done! Feel me!
Alright. We got those guys out of the way. Alright, so let's this is the one where hey real boy FaceTime. So collect the human body parts to complete the robot transformation. Robot to human transformation. So it's gonna be kind of cringe, normal worn on the face, typically the protection, disguise, or performance or entertainment. For protection.
Those sure are some quality limbs. Could you get a few more? I'd like to have a wide variety to choose from. We humans love choices.
Ow. I got one across the bridge, which I'll have to get out. Oh my god. Alright, what is this? What is that though? I think this was the left arm or something. It's a weird ass big arm, man. There's other body parts I could have grabbed, I guess, but. Alright. Alright, now we want to go to the left a little bit and up. Can I make it up there? Ah. Alright, wait. Alright, hold up. Wait. There we go. Okay. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this, but... Alright, that definitely was not supposed to happen. Alright, well. Alright. Yeah. Go down this. Where the hell? Okay.
Now you're gonna pay!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Hurt so hard!
Let's have some fun!
I will!
we go. Now let's find. Let's go up there somehow. Oh, I missed. Nice. Ooh, 40. Damn it. I missed whatever the funny verbiage was. Okay, wait a second. Alright, so... No. I'm supposed to somehow be able to get up there? Because I saw that thing. Like a little vault or something. Alright, well. Enter the driver's seat. Climb like a arachnid freak. Alright. I go up and then turn that up here. And then... Where are these guys?
It's inside me! God! Okay. There's the best! Hey, so hard!
Frag 'em, Dave!
With you! I'm coming! And turn! Right, freak! That's so much!
Man, where's the Alright, there we go. Boot. Completely superfluous body part. No one knows what the purpose of left legs are meant to serve. Must be ridden by the robot at that point.
Please insert any donated organs into the receptacle below. Try not to die. Welcome, customer. Thanks for the scratch.
Okay, now there's one left this way. Wait. Oh, here it is. Over here.
Yeah, past it! Not...
Oh, alright. What the hell? Oh, shoot. There we go.
Kick him in the piston! Robot 1, upbeat 0.
This gun, even though it's electrical, it doesn't do shit. Electrical damage, crap. Gross. Alright. Right leg. Boot has been made for walking and still has a foot in it.
So many limbs. I can't wait to try them out. Come on back.
Alright. Alright, I think I now know what I need to do to get. Wait, not this one. Alright.
I'm legally obligated to tell you, I ain't a real doctor. Next
Alright.
time you're bleeding to death,
We're gonna start off by going to this because it's a little bit faster, right? Yeah, equip it and half shell turtle. Bloody eye. That's cool. Alright, deploying the vehicle. Out's there. Come over here. Try one more time.
So, last night
Dang it.
I
Nope.
got a little tipsy and I was thinking about all the unsatisfied customers.
Oh wait, this is the same one that I did. Oh shit. No, I still couldn't figure out how to get in there. Well, let's try it. Let's try it first. Let's try to figure this one out first. Alright, so we're gonna start off, we're gonna pass this area.
I don't know what I was thinking. You have to get those checks back from the mailboxes before the auto post sends them off. You gotta hurry. They'll be sent any minute.
No, that's not it. Alright, that didn't work, did it? Alright, just to increase the time, we're gonna grab this one down here. Have some nice air. Oh shit. Too fast, too fast. Oh, pause. Wait a second. Okay. Never mind. Can't see me go. That's why. Alright, let's keep going. That's not what I need. Well, maybe I can get on top of it. Alright, let's just see if I can find an entrance over on this side. What is this thing? What does that do? Alright. We shall find out. Or to pretend. What the hell is that thing supposed to be? Okay. Ow. Damn. Bullseye. Okay. Down here. There's nothing down here. Okay. Glad I didn't get that fire thing. Nope, that didn't do anything. I don't know what this thing is. Looks like it's a crane, but puzzle out. There we go. Ah.
Heyo!
Okay, let's try this again. I think I missed it though. Maybe. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. Alright, I'm not gonna let you guys wait, so we're gonna stop here, resume it.